Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to move the Valorant installation folder. In this video I want to show you how to move a Valorant installation folder. First, find where Valorant is installed by clicking your profile picture, opening settings, selecting followers, and checking the install path. Open that location, click on the Valorant folder and press Ctrl+X to cut it. Move it to wherever you want, then press Ctrl+V to paste it. When you restart the Riot client, Valorant won't be installed anymore. Click Install and select Already Installed, then find the folder in the window and click OK. As you can see, the play button appears, meaning we can play Valorant, and it's moved to the new location. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment below.